in this lecture, I have defined you the Laplace transform of f of t by t, that is the division of two. In last videos, I have defined you the differentiation property. Yes, and so therefore Laplace transform of f t by t. Yes, here is, you can say that the division by t. Yes, so if this is the Laplace transform of f of t by t, this one, and that is we prove this result if Laplace f t is equal to fs, then Laplace f t by t is equal to t to infinity f of u du, provided the integral exists. Yes, okay. Now we prove this division of that is division of Laplace division of t, and prove. Yes, prove since fs is equal to Laplace f t is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st f t dt. Yes, this is your definition. You always know this definition. Yes. Now we operating from here. That is here. If f of t, the theorem is Laplace f of t. Yes, this one. If this is equal to fs, then Laplace f of t by t is equal to, no, from f of t by t is s to infinity. Yes, s to infinity. Now, and therefore the integral from s to infinity f of s ds is equal to integral, yes, s to infinity, yes, and f of s is this one, yes, f of s is this one, so 0 to infinity e to the power minus st, yes, fs is here is f of e to the power minus st, f of t dt, and whole operating this ds, so here is ds, yes, as given is, no. So this is again is equal to, this can be done as, yes, by changing the order of integration, as t, s and t are independent variables. So by changing the order of integration, this can be done as 0 to infinity f t, yes, and here is 0 to infinity, and this become s to infinity e to the power minus st ds, yes, and whole operated by yes, and this is again is equal to 0 to infinity ft, yes, and integrating this one is e to the power minus st, yes, and divided by with respect to t. So here is e to the power t, the coefficient of this is, so it become t here is become t is here is not t, so this is ds, so this can be written as, and ds operating, so this is ds by minus of t, that is minus of t. Yes, it's clear. S to infinity, here is 0 to infinity, so by changing the order of integration, this here is s to infinity e to the power minus st and ds, yes, so the integral is in ds, so integrating this with respect to s, yes, so here is this become t, okay, this 0 to, yes, now limits from s to infinity, and here is st. Yes, clear? I think you have clear all the steps. Now, this become, according to our definition, this is equal to 0 to infinity, yes, e to the power minus, yes, st, and here is also again become is ft by t and dt. If you take the limits, you get this thing. Okay. Now, this can again be, according to your definition, here this is equal to f of t, then this one. So, this can be written as Laplace of this is, that is, this can be written as 0 to infinity e to the power minus st, yes, or this is can be written as, this is the form just like a, or you can say that is the form this one, here is, that is the ft, so here is ft by t, yes, comparing the same way, okay, so this can be written as Laplace of ft by t, yes, clear? And this is, okay, this is equal to, here you say that s2, here is s to infinity f of s ds, yes, or you say that this is s to infinity f of ut, yes, that is the result. You can prove that, or you can say that Laplace of ft by t, which is written here, ft by t is equal to this one, so by changing the definite integral property, now here is s to infinity and f of utu, so this can be written as s to infinity f of utu, yes, clear? This is the property for the integration, yes, Laplace transformation of singularity. Similarly, I have defined you some other examples of the Laplace type of the integral, or you can integrate the if anywhere is the written, where is the written as divided by s, yes, then you can directly form this, apply this result, and now you can solve the results, yes, okay, thank you.